Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuit roti, easy method. Start by mixing flour, baking powder, salt, and cold butter into a coarse crumb, then add just enough warm water to form a soft dough. Rest the dough briefly, divide into equal pieces, roll gently into discs, and cook on a hot skillet until golden spots appear. Finish with a light brush of butter and serve warm with your favorite chutney or curry. Gather your ingredients and lay them out so the process flows smoothly. Measure flour and baking powder into a bowl, add salt, then toss in the cold butter cubes. Use a pastry cutter or fingers to blend until you see pea-sized crumbs and tiny flakes for flakiness. Sprinkle warm water gradually, mixing until the dough just comes together but remains soft. Resting the dough improves texture and makes rolling easier. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you can focus on cooking instead of sweeping. It's a small time saver that feels like an upgrade to your clean game, and it pairs nicely with busy kitchen days. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After resting, portion the dough and flatten into discs with gentle pressure so you keep some butter pockets intact. Roll each disc to roughly 6 inches across, then preheat a heavy skillet until hot. Cook each biscuit roti about 1 to 2 minutes per side, watching for golden brown spots and light puffing. Flip once, finish cooking, then stack and cover briefly so they stay soft and warm for serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.